Cowboy conquering Mega Eagle. Alright then folks, a few videos ago I had a look at this really cheap anvil. I wanted something for my leather working, and this was sold as steel, but after a bit of investigation, you know, it was very clear that it was iron, and you know, there's quite a bit of rub off this onto my leather work, so it made it a bit black. So I'd make another anvil. So I did a bit of haggling with the scrap man, and managed to get a bit of bulldozer, which is pretty cool. Cost me a few old trampoline frames and various other bits and bobs, but it's a lovely great big lump of steel. And the kind of the thing with with the leather, the holes in the anvil would have been nice, you know, a hardy hole so I could put stakes and, you know, other bits and bobs on it, but not essential. So I'm basically the flat surface is the thing that I'm going to use the most. I will want an edge on it of some description, one sharp edge, but then the rest of the edges don't want to be sharp, so don't scuff the leather up. You know, if there's only one sharp edge, I can keep an eye on what I'm doing. So that's what I'm going to do, is just basically chop this big lump of steel around and then set it into a bit of wood, and probably use some polyurethane to sit it in there. All pretty straightforward, I suppose. Let's chop it up and see what happens.